Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to H3C High Universal Court. So guys, look at this hair. You have been seeing a lot of clients carrying this kind of hair, right? All this dread. Now a lot of people don't know how to fade this side. The beauty of this dread is this side. So if you don't fade it very well, it's not going to give that smooth look. Do you understand? So I'm going to teach you, watch closely how to fade hair. I told us that whenever you are creating the first guideline, it's not a must. Sometimes you need to know the kind of hairstyle that the person wants. It's not everybody that wants it to be skin. But this one now, for you to get that shape that will beautify this dread, is going to be on skin level, the first guideline. Then the second guideline, this is the theory aspect. Listen very well. Please share this video. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Make sure you follow us. Now, after creating the first guideline, the second guideline, you are going to put it on low cut level. After you have created it, the third guideline that is going to blend it off is going to be on step 1. Do you understand? So let's dive into it. First thing, sterilize your clipper, which I've done. You put it on skin level. Look at it. You open the blade, you close the blade. Sometimes after closing, you touch it on your palm to know if anyone is higher than anyone. Do you understand? Then the first guideline, you follow it like this. Make sure you texture it very well. Follow it like this accordingly. Can you see how it's going? Follow it like this. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. Don't be stingy. If you want to go higher, don't be stingy. Whatever you know, share it. Can you see it? After you have created the first guideline, the second guideline is going to be on low cut level. I just want you to get this now. Barbing is very, very simple. Once you know the steps, the guideline is very, very simple. Bring your gel down, open it like this. You create the second guideline. Texture it very well. Can you see it? After you have created the second guideline, the next thing you need to do is to clean up this line. The line in between the first guideline and the second guideline. How are you going to clean it? Don't join the blade together immediately. Just close it a bit. I do call it semi low cut. Close it a bit. Don't close it finish. Then use the edge to remove the line. Please don't forget to share this video. I just want other people to learn, to benefit from this video too. Can you see it? After you have done it like this finish, then you can close it finish to remove the remaining lines. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Remember, I told us that barbing is very, very simple if you have passion for it. But it's very, very hard when you don't have passion for it. Maybe you are copycatting. You want to be doing what others are doing. Can you see it? Can you see how neat? Can you see how neat it's coming? Can you see it? So the next thing you need to do now is to use your step 1.5. This is it, 1.5, to blend this side before using step 1. Insert your blade, bring it on low cut level. See the way I'm flicking it. After that, you can turn your hand like this to make sure you debunk the hair very well. After this, the next thing you need to do now is to use your step 1. This is it. Insert your clipper, put it on low cut level by bringing the gel down. You flick it again. All this thing, It's step by step. If you know the procedure, it's very very simple. If you are not following me, make sure you are following me because you won't regret being part of this family. You know how you HUC always do it, theory and practical. Anything I know, I would like to share it because I don't want to die with what I know. After you flick it finish like that, you turn your hand like this to blend it like this as if you are brushing hair. Can you see it? Can you see that barbering is very very simple? Where teachers are different, sha. Can you see how the beauty is coming out? So after this now, the next thing you need to do is turn your hand up again. You flick it again to remove the remaining side that did not blend well. After this, the next thing you need to do is to do the free hand fading or blending, any whichever one you like. So you turn your hand like this, you rake it down. See the way I'm brushing it down? You rake it down. You rake it down like this. You rake it down. After this, you turn your hand downward. You blend it like this. Watch what I'm doing. Don't go up again. Can you see what I'm doing? After this, the next thing you need to do is to blend up this place that you step 2 to blend. You carry it up like this. To get that even look that you want. Can you see it? Can you see how beautiful it is? After that, you do the free hand trimming to remove any excess hair. Can you see that barbering is very very simple and sweet? Can you see it? Please, if you find this video helpful, if you learn anything, benefit anything from this video, please share, like, ask questions. We are here to learn. No one has the basket of knowledge. Do you understand? We are here to learn. And don't forget to follow me because you will not regret being part of this family. Can you see it? So this is how to get those haircuts you will see, those dreadlocks that you see will be like, wow. Can you see? It's very very simple. It's very very simple. It's very very simple. And if you watch any video and you learn something from it, try sharing that video so that what you learned will enter you. Because if you are stingy, that thing will not enter you. So this is it. I love you guys. This is HUC. This is it. I told you that anything I know, I make sure that I share it. I want everybody here to know how to cut hair. Because you don't know where you will go to tomorrow. It's not everybody that you like them to touch your head. Do you understand? That's why you need to learn this thing. So this is it. I love you guys. HUC got you always. So this is the final blending. Love you guys. Share this video. Follow, like, comment. I love you.